Today I'm going to show you how to remove a fluorescent light bulb. Be careful because these things are fragile and they will break easily. And if you don't know what you're doing, if you can't do this properly, you should probably get a certified light remover person. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the light bulbs, right? And you see how these are slots right here. That's because the end caps are in there and then turned. Now what we have to do is we're going to press up and then twist a little bit slightly, 45 degrees, and the lights will come out. I'm going to show you, okay? So I'm going to take the light bulb. I'm going to get both ends. You can only see one end right here. I'm going to press up a little bit slightly, spin it 45 degrees, and the light bulb comes out just like that. I'm going to show you with the other light bulb right now, okay? I'm going to take the light bulb, and I'm going to press up slightly, twist it, be careful, and the light comes out. And now to put them in, you do the exact opposite. You press up, and then you twist it, and the light bulb gets in. That's how you take out a fluorescent tube light bulb, and that's how you put one in. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.